Hey guys, so I'm going to do another kind of partial voiceover of some clips I got of Urano this week in my second ever jumping lesson with him. I thought it was interesting actually, in these clips you can actually hear my trainer, so I thought it would be interesting so you can hear what she's saying to me, so you can kind of see like maybe how what she says changes how I ride and stuff. There's only a couple of things that I'll talk over. There is one blooper that I'll put into, but that was just me being a bad rider. So yeah, enjoy these clips.
Straight leg. The 4 strides is perfect. In the middle, very straight. And curve. 1, 2, 3, and left. A little bit tight that last one. What you did is you already turned a bit from. After you've been standing still, it will not come too tight now, okay? Stay a little my side. Straight, 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 and gentle curve. 1, 2, and right. Open the right hand. Okay, I would like you to land on the right leg. Stay on my side, but stay straight. Stay straight, straight. Don't push. Curve. And 1, 2. Open the left hand. Okay, good. One more the other way. Stay on my side. Gently in. Balance. Open the right hand. Okay, back. Good. Much better when he's landing equally left and rebalance. And up, 2, 3, left. Bend left, good. Look around to the re-jump. And stay on my side a bit, gives you a little more space. Easy on the landing. 4, up, 2, and right. Very good there. Very good, no problem. Again, one time each way. Much better on the landing here. In the middle. Whoa, pause. Okay, no problem. Again. Right. When you approach this, continue. 1, 2, 3. Well done. So come out to the boards now. Well done. Look back at your jump. Yeah, continue. Open the left hand. Continue. 2. Open the right hand. Both up. Okay. Relax, try and keep going.
Well done, sir.
That's okay. Try and keep out to the boards. Stand in. Okay, you're easy now. Very good. Just get this one a bit easier out to the boards. Head to the left side. Let him in. Right leg on. And now change. Okay, make a circle around that jump. Both hands in and make a circle around that jump. Open the right hand, bring the shoulder around. Make it a little smaller. Continue. 1, 2, 3. Open the left hand, good. Out to the board. Stay out to the white fence. Stay out. Angle back left. Get him in. Continue. Go. 2. Wait a little long. Now pause. Pause. Straight that approach now. My side. Wait for it. And 1, 2, 3. And then. Well read. Very good. Stay straight. Don't overshoot now. My side. Wait for the jump. Yes. Wait. 3, 4. Very good. Excellent. And there, on the turn already, he was turning. If I told you to stand again there, your approach was already going to be good. It wasn't that you knew you had finished and you let him fall in. Easy 4. Very good.
My goodness.
Turn in the end. That's better. Steady. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. Okay. Now look around. Keep your rhythm. Keep going. 3. Very good. Straight and gently hold. Okay, good. Okay. A little bit. And easy forward. Very good. Curve. 2, 3, 4. Shoulders up. Right your corner. safety hold. And back, perfect. This is right here. Gently. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use your space, doesn't matter about the leg. Okay, very good. And go diagonally. Good, man. Good. Continue. Up in the front. 3. Look at the jump. Keep coming. Other side. You up in the front. Now use your corner body control. Good, good. Perfect distance. Excellent. Very, very nice. Rest.
Okay, so here we move to jumping a single oxer just towards the end of the lesson, as we've been doing only verticals. You can see this time I come a little bit under paced and I put him in really deep. I don't put him in a nice spot at all. That comes a little bit from riding Boo. With Boo, Boo always likes to come a little bit close. She doesn't like to go far, whereas Urano likes to go far. So my trainer put the pole in to kind of force me to ride at the fence, to remove the temptation for me to kind of ride Urano the same way I ride Boo. I need to actually not ride him to the fence, but I need to allow him and not take back at the last second, whereas with Boo she likes a lot of support from me, whereas he still likes a little support and contact over the fence and like to the base, but you can't pull him in deep. He does not like it. He would prefer to jump from far, but he has a lot more scope than Boo. So yeah, you can see whenever my trainer has put the pole in, I actually start to ride the oxer better. It just removes my temptation to fiddle at the last second and start to like, especially when I make a mistake like that, it kind of plays in my mind and I'm like, I just don't really want to do it again, and it can kind of make me fiddle a little bit.